Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll learn how to do primary distribution of overheads when 3 production departments and 2 service departments are given. Let us read the question. A company is having 3 production departments, namely A, B and C, and 2 service departments S1 and S2. The expenses incurred during the month of March 2015 are as follows. Supervision. This will be based on now number of workers, that is item number 2 here they have given 20, 10, 10, 15 and 5. So ratio will be here 4:2, 2:2, 2:2, 3:1 based on number of workers. Next they have given fire insurance. Fire insurance may be taken for machineries or may be taken for stock. Here we have information, value of plant, as well as they have given value of stock. So here they are not clear whether it is for plant or it is for stock. Here we will consider that fire insurance has been taken for the plants and we will value it as per plant values. Twelve is to 9 is to 6 is to 3 is to 4. Power, horsepower of the machines. Light points 4, 2, 2, 1, 1. So ratio is 4 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1 is to 1. Rent, floor space 1500, 1000, 900, 500 and 100. Ratio will be repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance will be of plant, so it will be based on the value of plant. Depreciation on plant, it will be also based on value of plant. Let us prepare statement. Let us record first expenses. Supervision, basis of allocation, number of workers, amount 30,000. Next, fire insurance, based on value of plant. Power, horsepower of machines. Lighting, number of light points. Rent, floor space occupied, repairs and maintenance, value of plant, depreciation on plant, value of plant. So we have recorded all expenses, we have considered all ratios. Let us divide them in various departments. Here they have given direct wages is already allocated. We are required to consider only service departments where wages paid will be considered as overheads. Power based on horsepower of machines. It is given only in case of production departments. It will not be applicable to service department. We have divided all expenses based on equitable ground. Now let us add all columns to arrive at overheads of particular department. So in this question we have learned how to distribute overheads when 3 production departments and 2 service departments are given. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.